today we're making a cheesy smoked sausage casserole. These are the ingredients that we need, and I'll be honest with y'all, for real, this is a make a meal today, okay? Because I ain't have no more. This is all I had in the refrigerator, and I was like, let me see what I can do with this. So I preheated my oven to 375, and I used some pre-boiled rice in the bag. Yeah, okay, I told you this is a lazy meal, so this is a quick meal that you can get done. You got kids or whatever like that, this is the meal for you. I sliced my sausages up just to my liking. I don't like them super big, and I wanted to make this meal last, so I went ahead and I browned my sausage in a pan, and then while the sausages were browning, I made my cheese sauce. So I used the whipped cream, the cheese, the milk, not whipped cream, the cream cheese, and all my seasonings as well. And then I just mix that together so we can kind of make a roux, kind of the same thing that I do when I make my baked macaroni and cheese. So we just make a roux, and then we season up our rice just a little bit because we don't want no plain bland rice. This is a quick meal, but not a nasty meal, okay? So then after we mix our rice together, we're gonna mix everything in, our meat and our broccoli and our roux. So we just mix all of that together, and to be quite honest, you could just leave it like this. It was good the way it was, and I added a little bit more seasoning just to taste because I felt like it was missing some. So you always just want to season to taste, whatever your liking is. And then I decided to put mine in the oven just because I wanted to be fancy, and as I came out, and it was good, okay?